So today I want to show you guys how to check the battery life on your Ring stick-up camera. We're also going to walk through how to change the battery and how to charge it. So 3 things. You can check the timestamps below if you need to jump ahead. But first, let's walk through actually how to check the battery life in our Ring-powered camera. So what we need to do, we need to go into the app. I have the camera pulled up, and from here, we're just going to open up the settings here. In the settings, we're going to scroll down until we see the power settings option. We'll open that up, and then here we'll see the battery level. So you can see that this battery is at 33%. If yours is a lot lower, it might be better to start charging that. I will say that the batteries on this last a really long time. I haven't had to charge this thing in a really, really long time, but it is in an area of the house that doesn't get a lot of action, so that could be it. All right, so let's talk about how to change the battery. So in the back, you'll see that there is a unlock and a lock symbol. We need to twist this to the unlock and then give it a good pull to take the bottom off. Once we have the battery exposed, we're going to push the silver thing down, and it's going to actually release the battery like so. So yours probably came with an orange wire. I actually lost mine, but we just need a micro USB here to actually charge this. You just put this in like so. You'll see these 2 lights pop up. When this red light goes away, that means this battery is fully charged. It should take a couple hours to fully charge. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, if you could, like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.